A beat on the beat.
What is poppin', guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to Six Flags. Hi. Kenzie's in the car. Jordan wanted to look just like me. We're late though, so we have to hurry. Hi. This is Kenzie. Hi. Oh, I know you're. Jordan wanted to look just like me.
No, look good in it.
Yeah, she did. Okay, I'm probably gonna vlog when we get there because Kenzie's gonna play music. So we're going to Six Flags. We're going to Six Flags. Yeah. Y'all, we finna go on Quick Trip real quick.
We look like twins, bro.
Like literally. Hold on. This looks just like me. My stomach doesn't look good, bruh. I'm insecure about my stomach, guys. But yeah, so I'm so excited.
Are you sweating right now?
No, that's her one-ass blonde.
Okay, I was gonna say.
Y'all look at this. Her hair's like dripping.
Do you trust me?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
This guy's gonna be alone.
Thank you too. Thank you. Bored in a house and I'm in a house bored. But for real, I'm gonna hit y'all back when we get there. We're here, super incognito with the mask and the glasses. Show her how to do what? Okay.
I think this is.
Jordan, your tank top's so cute in the back.
It is cute. I said I was thinking.
But okay, I'm gonna see y'all when we get in there. We are at the Batman.
Mommy in it?
Every other. Y'all, we don't know what's going on because we're like standing here.
Don't touch the rail.
We're about to.
We don't touch the rail.
Where's Mackenzie? Mackenzie. We're about to be on the Batman. You can't really see anything. That's crazy.
I like the red lights though.
Yeah. We just got off of that, y'all. It was very scary. But yeah, we're finna get on more rides. It's hella, like they have hella procedures in place to make sure everybody's safe. And I like that. They're actually like spraying and disinfecting the rides. I had to put my bag on like this. We're about to get on the Ninja, so. Okay, so we're about to get on the Superman and I'm terrified. I am so scared. I don't know if you guys can see. You get in those things and it flies up all the way and it's so freaking tall and I'm so scared. My heart is in my throat.
Your heart's gonna be in your stomach. I'm just letting you know.
Oh my god.
We're about to drive.
Oh my god, look. We're going up. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I cannot. Y'all. That was probably one of the scariest rides I've ever experienced in my life. My heart is still in my butt. I stuck my phone in. Oh my god. That drop.
That's a nice drop. Oh my god. We're about to go in.
Oh my god. Let's record our faces. Oh my god. Oh my god. What's happening? We're getting turkey legs. My hair, I know it looks crazy. Yeah, maybe we should pull our gel out. Okay.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
What?
You wanna do mine and I'll do yours?
Nope.
I think you should do your own.
Please don't record.
Okay. Oh, it looks stupid. This is ghetto. I can look at your glasses.
I don't know if it's gonna be seasoned
I'm
or
so
what.
thirsty.
I don't know how we're gonna do this turkey leg thing.
That was so good.
This is mine.
Oh my god.
Where's mine? You got it?
So I've never put mustard on my turkey leg. Well, I don't know, have I?
Mustard. You like it with mustard?
It's really hot. It is hot.
It's hot as fuck. But it's so good.
I can't get it.
And it feels good that it's turkey and not pork. Because it reminds me of pork.
Yeah. I'm gonna flip this. My skin be a little tough.
Yeah, I don't eat the skin. I'm drinking my water too fast. I don't know if we can get refills.
She better give us some more water if we ask for it.
You know those are supposed to be charged?
I know. I'm just saying.
I'm just saying, like,
Okay.
I'm just saying. Oh my god, this corn looks scary.
Okay.
What is happening? Simone, what the fuck is it? Simone,
Oh my god.
what is going on? Is it seasoned? Is it buttered? I know y'all. What the fuck? They are fucking playing.
Is it good? Let me try it.
No. Ew.
This is their famous roasted corn. We're gonna take the hair off.
Messy. Like I'm not liking this experience. It's good? You're disgusting. It's good? It has flavor to you?
It's just like corn, like
It don't have no flavor though.
you do though.
No, is that okay, well you eat
What kind did you get? Oops.
Banana split.
Y'all, this is what we're about to get on. Oh my gosh, look. Y'all, we literally just sat down on the ride and they said, get up, we're having technical difficulties. We just stood in that line for probably like, how long was that? Maybe like 40 minutes?
Yeah.
That was a while, definitely. Where are we going now?
Oh my god, he saw me. He saw me on my phone. I had to sneak my phone again. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, okay, well.
Be careful. I messed shoes. Oh, I'm putting my feet up.
Jordan.
My shoes are messed.
Oh my god.
I know, I'm putting my shoes up here too. Put your camera up, bitch.
Oh my god, there's water on my camera. whole bag got wet, y'all. Now we're about to go on this. We're in a candy store. Have y'all ever had high chews? They're so yummy. Jordan's hair is done. It's okay. All the candy. I'm hella tired. Ooh, they have caramel apples. I like caramel apples. They have fudge too. They have, is this, what is this called? Like cake batter fudge? Cookies and cream. What is that?
If they had chocolate covered strawberries, I'd be alright.
Oh my gosh, it does look scary. Why does it taste? I'm upset. Okay guys, so this is the end of the vlog. I'm super tired. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I'm really tired, y'all can probably tell. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Make sure to hit that subscribe button along with that notification bell so that you know every time I post. Make sure to click that thumbs up button and comment and let me know what you guys want to see, because what you want to see, I will give it to you, period. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.